Most security teams start the day the same way, reviewing alerts, assessing risk, and deciding what deserves immediate attention. Anomaly Alert Triage provides a centralized operational view designed to help analysts prioritize, investigate, and respond with speed and consistency without switching between tools. Analysts can find a holistic overview of the threat landscape in the Alert Triage dashboard. Alerts are organized by severity, status, and ownership, delivering a centralized view of the threat triage process. Alert volume trend adds an additional layer of context, helping teams quickly spot spikes in activity and determine if they're driven by genuine anomalous behavior. The interface supports flexible sorting, notably by name, status, severity, assignee, risk score, and MITRE attack tactics and techniques. Our out-of-the-box detections include MITRE mappings, and custom detections can be aligned the same way to support consistent reporting and coverage validation. When an alert requires investigation, teams can move directly from triage into the underlying query and event context. Analysts can expand from a single alert to broader surrounding telemetry to validate scope and impact, identifying additional affected users, repeated behavior, or related threat classifications. For deeper analysis, events can be reviewed in both parsed form and full raw log format. This provides analysts day-to-day triage with accessible visibility, while still supporting advanced threat hunting and forensic review when needed. Alert Triage is also designed for action. Anomaly Threat Streams integrations capability allows high-confidence indicators to be automated into responsive workflows. Teams can route indicators to downstream controls, supporting enforcement actions such as blocking at the firewall, preventing access, or applying endpoint controls based on file hash intelligence. In addition to behavioral detections, Anomali supports IOC-driven alerting by correlating activity against known malicious indicators. When a match occurs, alerts include contextual details like host, file path, command line lineage, and hash values to support rapid escalation, isolation decisions, and containment actions. Anomali also supports extensive customization. Any saved search can be converted into an alert with configurable severity, risk scoring, scheduling, thresholds, throttling, ownership, and MITRE alignment, allowing teams to standardize detection operations while tailoring coverage to their environment. Anomaly Alert Triage unifies detection, investigation, and response into a single workflow, reducing friction for analysts, improving consistency across teams, and enabling faster decisions from alert to outcome. See it in action and start triaging smarter with Anomaly today.